How to keep your coin collection safe and organized. Collecting coins can be a rewarding hobby, but it requires proper care and organization to maintain the value and integrity of your collection. In this blog, we will explore effective strategies to keep your coin collection safe, organized, and in pristine condition. From storage solutions to cleaning tips, we have got you covered. Choose the right storage. Selecting the right storage for your coins is crucial. Consider using coin holders, albums, or capsules that are made from non-reactive materials. Avoid using PVC holders, as they can damage coins over time. Proper storage will protect your coins from dust, moisture, and physical damage, ensuring their longevity. Keep coins clean. Cleaning coins can be a controversial topic among collectors. Generally, it's best to avoid cleaning coins, as it can diminish their value. However, if necessary, use a soft cloth or a gentle cleaning solution specifically designed for coins. Always handle coins with clean hands to prevent oils and dirt from transferring onto the surface. Maintain a controlled environment. Environmental factors play a significant role in the preservation of your coin collection. Store your coins in a climate-controlled environment, away from direct sunlight, humidity, and extreme temperatures. A stable environment will help prevent tarnishing, corrosion, and other forms of damage that can occur over time. Organize your collection. An organized collection is easier to manage and enjoy. Consider categorizing your coins by type, year, or country. Use a spreadsheet or a dedicated coin cataloging app to keep track of your collection. This organization will not only make it easier to find specific coins but also help you assess the overall value of your collection. Use proper handling techniques. When handling coins, always use proper techniques to avoid damage. Hold coins by the edges rather than the faces to prevent fingerprints and scratches. Wearing cotton gloves can also help protect coins from oils and dirt. Being mindful of how you handle your coins will significantly reduce the risk of damage. Ensure your collection. If your coin collection holds significant value, consider insuring it. Consult with an insurance agent who specializes in collectibles to determine the best coverage options. Having insurance will provide peace of mind and financial protection in case of theft, loss, or damage to your collection. Document your collection. Keeping detailed records of your coin collection is essential. Document the purchase price, condition, and any historical information about each coin. This documentation will not only help you keep track of your collection but also assist in appraisals and insurance claims if needed. Join a community. Engaging with fellow coin collectors can enhance your hobby and provide valuable insights. Join local coin clubs or online forums to share experiences, tips, and resources. Networking with other collectors can also lead to potential trades, sales, or access to rare coins that may not be available elsewhere. Stay informed. The world of coin collecting is constantly evolving, with new discoveries and trends emerging regularly. Stay informed by reading books, magazines, and online resources dedicated to numismatics. Keeping up with the latest news will help you make informed decisions about your collection and its value. Attend coin shows. Coin shows are excellent opportunities to expand your knowledge and network with other collectors. Attend local or national coin shows to meet dealers, attend seminars, and view rare coins. These events can also provide a chance to buy, sell, or trade coins, enhancing your collection further. Consider professional grading. If you have valuable coins, consider having them professionally graded. Grading services assess the condition and authenticity of coins, providing a standardized grade that can enhance their marketability. A professionally graded coin often fetches a higher price, making it a worthwhile investment for serious collectors. Enjoy the journey. Lastly, remember that coin collecting is not just about the monetary value, it's about the journey and the stories behind each coin. Take the time to appreciate your collection and the history it represents. Enjoy the process of learning, discovering, and connecting with fellow enthusiasts along the way.